Good afternoon everyone, my name is Christian Zerziladika from MA282 and we are back again in this video, but we will be having another activity, the Relay 4 entitled the Holding Alternating Lamps. So before we start, let me explain this to you, the block diagram. So we have the PB2 switch, the PB1 switch, we have the R1, the PL3, the green LED, and the PL2, the red LED. So in this block diagram, the PB2 switch is in open, so it means that the current cannot flow. Also in the R1, the second rung, and the R1 in the third rung. However, in the fourth rung, the R1 is closed, so it means the current can flow through to the going to the PL2 switch. So it means that the PL2 switch will be energized. But in this activity, we will do this in alternate. So if we click the PB2 switch, and if we click the PB2 switch, the R1 in the second rung and also the R1 in the third rung will be closed. So it means if these connections will be closed, it means that the current will flow, and if the current will flow, the R1 and the PL3 will be energized. However, in the fourth rung of R1, this will be open, and it means if the connection is open, the PL2 will be de-energized. And if we click the PB2 again, the PB1 rather, the PB2 will be open, the R1 in the second rung and the third rung will be open. It means that the R1 will be de-energized, also the PL3 will be de-energized, and the R1 in the fourth rung will be closed, and also the PL2 will be energized. So you think it is my explanation is hard, so let me show you how it works. First is, let's connect the 24 volts in the input. Okay, the next is the output and input of PB2. Okay, like that. The next is the PB213. Let's connect it here. Okay, the next is the, what is it, the 14, the 0 volts. Okay, just like that. Okay, so let's move. So 9 will be in the PB2 input. So like this, run like that, and the number 5 also in the output. So you can see output. Okay, like that. Make sure that the connections are all connected. The next is second rung, number 10. Okay, so number 10 we will connect it in the we will connect it in the there, the 6 in the PL3. Okay, so let's go in the 6, the PL3 input, sorry. So 6, the PL3 input. Okay, the 2 will be connected in the PL2 input. So 2 will connected in the PL2 input. The next is the PL2 and the PL3 must be connected. These are outputs. Okay, outputs like that. And lastly is the output. The 24 volts must be connected in the PL3. So let's go here to prevent from misconnections. Okay. So as you can see, all our wires are connected properly. So let's submit. Okay. Okay, so we've passed. And remember again now what I've said earlier. If we click the PB2, the R1 and the PL3 will be energized and the PL2 will be de-energized. But if we click the PB1, the R1 and PL3 will be de-energized and the PL2 will be energized. Okay, so let's start. Okay, we've clicked the PB2, the R1 and the PL3 has been energized. And if we click again the PB1, the R1 and the PL3 has been de-energized, but the PL2 has been energized. So if we click again, okay, so that's it. So thank you everyone for watching. Thank you, sir, and to my classmates. I hope you've learned in my video. Thank you and God bless.